Welcome to the Archer Library video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate and conduct searches in the Academic Search Complete database. Academic Search Complete is a large multidisciplinary database with more than 5,500 journals. This database contains content going all the way back to 1887 and up to the current date. There are a variety of different topics covered, including biology, chemistry, engineering, general science, geography, music, women's studies, education, and more. To access this database, we need to go to the library homepage and search for the title of the database under the Database tab. If you are accessing databases from off-campus, you will be required to enter your U of R username and password. This database gives you the option to conduct a basic search or advanced search. We will start our search in the Advanced Search. The Advanced Search provides a fill-in-the-blank setup that will help you set up a successful search query. Enter search terms or concepts that best describes what you are searching for. For example, if I was searching for research on the ethical concerns of stem cell research, I would search the main concepts of my query, which include stem cell research and ethics. Additional rows can be added as needed. You can use what is called Boolean operators to combine these terms in different ways. To learn more about Boolean logic, you can visit our tutorial on using Boolean operators in your searches. Quotations are used for concepts that are longer than a single word. This tells the database to search for this concept as a single search term rather than look for each word individually. If you are having trouble deciding what keywords or concepts to use, you can use the subject term search on the Advanced Search page. Type in the keyword you're thinking about using in your search. The search will tell you if that is a word it understands, if there is a better keyword that you could be using in this database, or other similar or related terms. You can also see how the database understands your keyword, and thus how it will determine what types of articles it will pull up during the search. There are many more options and filters that can help you focus your search. If you're only searching for peer-reviewed articles, you can select the following option. Publication date range can be used to search for recent research. Because my topic is focused on recent research, I am going to ask that the database only pull up research done within the last 4 years. The results list contains all of the articles that match your search terms. To read any of the following articles, we can click on the full text link below the article details. The PDF can be saved or printed. If the database does not have full text to an article, you can click on the Where Can I Get This link, which will help you locate the full text. If we don't own a copy of this article anywhere in our library, you can request an interlibrary loan, which is a free service that will retrieve the article for you from another institution. You can further refine your search by using the facets on the left-hand side of the screen. This concludes our video tutorial on the Academic Search Complete database. For more information, please contact the Archer Library Help Desk at 585-4133 or library.www@uregina.ca.